If you've ever tried to manually track DraftKings contests, player salaries, or Sportsbook odds, you already know how painful it is. Tabs everywhere, constant refreshing, and data that's outdated 5 minutes later. In this video, I'll show you how to scrape DraftKings DFS contests and Sportsbook's odds automatically in just a few minutes, using the DraftKings scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Appify. This is perfect if you're building fantasy models, tracking betting lines, or doing sports market research. Let's say it's Sunday morning and you're preparing for NFL games and you want to know which DFS contests are live, how big the prize pools are, player salaries for lineup optimization, and current sportsbook odds for each matchup. Doing this manually would take forever, but with this actor, it's one run. Let me show you. First, you have to choose what type of DraftKings data to scrape. You can scrape DFS, sportsbook, or both. Let's choose both. And then we can choose which sport. We'll go with the NFL. And you have the option to include additional player data, like salaries, positions, projections. This can increase the execution time a bit, and that's why it's optional. We'll include it for this run. You then select the maximum number of items, and once you're ready, you can start, or you can also schedule it to run, let's say, weekly every Sunday. For this run, we'll do it once. And now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, you'll get a clean dataset in this Output tab. For DFS contests, you'll see contest name, entry fee, price pool, start time, contest size. And for players, you get player name, position, team, salary, opponent, game time. You can also export all of this data into a JSON, CSV, or Excel file for lineup optimization, where you can track odds movement over time, compare player salaries against betting lines, or feed the data into Python or other BI tools. This is the kind of data edge that normally takes hours to maintain manually. So, instead of refreshing DraftKings all day, this actor gives you real-time accuracy, consistent structure, and massive time savings. Whether you're a fantasy player, bettor, or analyst, this turns DraftKings into a data source instead of a website. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.